So currently staying here at Gita Gili as a point of reference, and I'm going to talk to my friend Woody here from Swell. Hey, this is the man. So he's taken us over last week to Lombok,
Yes.
and he's going to take us over to Gili in a few days.
Yes.
And he hires out all this stuff here. So how much to hire the mask and snorkel?
This 25,000. 25,000.
25,000?
And this 25 also too.
And for how
So
long?
Together is 50,000 for one day.
1 day, one full
Yeah.
day, one full day. Excellent. And you hire the bicycles as well?
Yes.
How much for the bicycles?
So 50,000 for one day.
50,000
Yeah.
for 1 day, okay. And what's in here?
Yes, we sell also.
You sell?
Yeah.
Let's go look in his shop.
Yes, come. Yeah, we sell also the equipment for snorkeling.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So sell these for adults and children?
Yes, adult and children.
Yeah.
And we do like a Google mask also.
Ah,
for
yeah.
snorkeling, And a full face.
Oh, the full face mask
Yeah,
for
full
your...
face for all your face.
And you sell these, the rash vests as well?
Yes, for swimming.
Yeah. Stop the sunburn, yeah?
Also, we do like sport wakeboarding.
Yeah.
For wakeboarding.
Oh, wow, okay, I've never done that.
Yeah, wakeboarding.
I see here you do got spear guns?
Yeah, spear gun.
How do spear guns?
And we do also the spear fishing.
Ah, the fishing, yeah.
Spear fishing, we do this.
So how much to hire this?
For hire like 150.
150?
Yes.
Is that for 1 day?
Yes.
1 day, one month.
Also, we do like spear fishing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And you guarantee we catch fish, yeah?
Of course.
Maybe,
You get the black snapper.
yeah, 4 kilo.
4 kilo.
4 kilo fish.
Yeah. And we do also surfing.
Ah, the surfboard, yeah. Okay. And how much to hire the surfboard?
So like 200,000.
200,000, and that for 1 day?
Like
For time?
5 hours.
5 hours,
Yes.
yeah, okay. And you sell these as well?
Yes, life jacket.
Life jackets, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. And if I was to book your boat to take me to Lombok, how much would that be as a private transfer to the harbour?
Transport is 350,000.
And how much to go to Gili T if I was to get a private transfer to Gili T?
Also, we do same price for 2 people.
For 2 people.
Yeah, for 2 people.
So we put our luggage on the boat,
Yes.
and we could go maybe not to the harbour, but we could go straight to our
Yes.
hotel if we know the hotel on
we
the
can
beach.
Drop you on a hotel too also.
And then we don't need to hire the horse to take us to the hotel,
yeah.
so it worked out good value. Fantastic. Well, thank you very much.
Okay.
And yeah, we'll see you later because I need to hire some bikes.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you.
Fantastic.
Yeah.